everyone, my name is Agima and welcome back to my channel. As you all can see, I have no makeup on today. It's because this video is about papaya face mask, like a sort of a skincare video. So let's get started with it. I'm going to show you three types of papaya face. First one is papaya and honey. So I'll show you guys. I have some pieces of papaya here and little bit of honey here. So I'll mix both of this. I'll smash this papaya first, then I'll add it into the honey, then I'll mix it and then I'll apply it on my face. So I have mixed the papaya and the honey in one container and it looks like this. So now I'm gonna apply it all over my face. You can use your hands or you can also use a brush if you don't like to use hands. I just like to use my hands because I can apply it carefully and wherever I want properly. You can apply this on your lips too. You all can take any type of honey for this. But I think that you should use pure honey, natural ones, because it will be more effective. So I'll keep this on my face for like 15 to 20 minutes and then I'll wash it off. I have washed my face mask and my skin feels so soft and I feel like I have put some moisturizer on. It feels that much soft. And I forgot to tell you, this face mask is for like dry skin, but normal and oily skin people also can try this. But I have some small tip or an advice for the oily skin people. Please, if you have like oily skin, use like honey, like half teaspoon or 1 teaspoon, because if you have super oily skin, the honey will not like absorb in your skin. So I advise you to like use a little bit of honey and put papaya slices more onto the second mask. And the second face mask is of papaya, curd and turmeric. So I'll show it to you. For the second mask, we have some papaya pieces here, some curd and little bit of turmeric powder. So I'll mix all three of them and then I'll apply. So I have mixed this also and it looks like this. I haven't like smashed the papaya pieces like into small, like fully mashed. I just kept some like pieces like this so I can rub it all over my face. So now I'm going to apply this thing with my hands. Curd is good for your health and your skin also. If you eat curd, like homemade curd, it will give you a natural glow to your skin. Apply it properly with the help of the mashed papaya pieces. I will apply it on my lips too. So I'll keep this mask also like for 15 to 20 minutes. I am back after washing my face, and if you people use it like twice a week and all, you will see changes in your skin, because I have tried papaya face mask before also. And if you don't want to like waste papaya, you can also use papaya peels, the ones which we eat and throw away. You can also use the papaya peels. And this face mask is actually for removing skin tan. Like it is very useful in the summer seasons, because we get tan in the summers. So if you use this face mask in the summers, you will really get an effective result in your skin. For the third and the last mask, I have the face mask of papaya and multani mitti. So I had the papaya pieces left here and some multani mitti. So I'll mix both of them and I'll apply it on my face. I have mixed both of the ingredients here and it looks like this. And one thing, please don't add water into this, because it will get into a paste with the papaya juice. While we mash the papaya juice, the juice which comes out can be used into this thing. Because for me, I personally don't like adding water. I use it with the papaya juice which comes out while mashing the papayas. So now I will apply it. I'll use my hands only. Feels really good while applying it, because I kept my multani mitti in the fridge, so it's a bit kind of cold, but with this my skin feels like good. First, you can apply the paste all over, and then you can rub it like with the papaya piece, I kept the papaya piece for like rubbing it all over my face. I'll apply this also on my lips. Now I'm rubbing it with the papaya piece. I personally like using multani mitti very oftenly on my face, because with that thing I feel like my face is glowing. So I'll keep this on my face for like 20 back after washing my face. And this last pack which I showed you of papaya and multani mitti, it helps to like give you a clear skin, like acne free skin, and it also helps you for to get a glowy skin, like uh, like a glow on your skin kind of. So that's all for my video today. I hope that this 3 face mask, the papaya face mask, will be very useful for you. With this thing I end my video here, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I really appreciate the time you people gave to watch my video. So yeah, thank you guys. Bye.